How to fix sorry there was a problem with your request on Instagram freeze, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and then apps again, and after that just click Threads and then click force stop, go to storage and clear cache, and then go to permissions. Make sure to give it all the permissions that you will find here, and that's it. Just give it all permissions and then just go back and try again. If that doesn't fix it, restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.